Hi, I'm Edina City Manager Scott Neal, and I'm excited to introduce Speak Up Edina. The City of Edina has always been interested in engaging residents in new ways. Speak Up Edina is a place for you to express your ideas and comments to continue to make Edina the premier place for living, learning, raising families, and doing business. What do you suggest to make Edina a better place? Using this new online tool, you can collaborate and have two-way conversations with your city government when it's most convenient for you. Make real changes on important issues that affect you the most. Getting involved is simple. Sign up using your email or connect with us on Facebook. Check back often to watch the progress of your ideas. Comment and vote for ideas to help us prioritize what's most important to you. Participate and be part of your community. Know that your voice is being heard. By creating a respectful, creative place to share and expand on ideas, we hope to improve upon Edina's already high quality of life. So thanks for listening, and speak up, Edina.